So, so welcome to Powershell for SQL Server Day One, Part One class. We can say because 3-4 days it will take to complete. So today, what we are going to do, we are going to start few more script, and in this script, what we are going to do, we are just adding few small script, and we are just creating one script. And what is this script? This script is used for installing the 7-zip. Just I will go in which way my you can see my script is there. So that way only we are going to follow. So this script is for what? If you have to install 7-zip in your system, and why it is required, like for the many purpose. In your organization, you will see somebody client will request whenever you are taking the SQL Server backup, the backup file has to be there in the zip format, right? For the space issue always people are getting, so many people has started for zipping the backup file. So whatever backup you will take, zip that file. For zipping the file in the all servers, 7-zip has to be installed, right? Then only you will able to zip, otherwise you can't zip. Or 7-zip, there is one more mini software is also there where you can create the password and zip it. So it is up to you. I have written for the script for the 7-zip. One thing. Second example, you can see whenever you are running 10 script into the one server, and then any client has asked to run the 10 script, and after that you are running into the one server, then all 10 script you are zipping it, and then you are sending it. So why we cannot write one script? Just example, if somebody is giving you 10 script to run into the 10 server, it is going to be the 100 times you have to follow the work. 10 server, 10 script. In each script you are running 10 script, so it is become 100 script. 100 script you have to zip and you have to send. Why we will not automate this work? So if you are going to automate, we are going to tell you how we can automate. Like in the simple script, in the one notepad file, you will put the 10 server name. In the one in one folder, you can put the all script, and you can run the script automatically. Your server will your script automatically, it will pick up the all server name and run the 10 script. It will pick up the second server name, and after that it will going to zip the file. So zipping the file, there will be your 7-zip has to be installed. So if you are writing the script, so script having the two part. One part, run the script, zip the script. But if you can't say, if you have 100 server, in the 100 server 7-zip file is installed. So people, what they are doing, if they are writing any script, so they are writing this logic also. If that 7-zip software is installed, then no problem, you zip that file. If it is not installed, install that 7-zip first software, right? So if you are putting this, then problem will be resolved. Otherwise, what is going to happen? If the software is not there, you will not able to zip the file, correct? Then what is happen? Then again you have to manually install, or otherwise you are writing into the script only. If the software is not there, go and install that, then it's become easy. So this is not for zipping the file, this is for the installation of 7-zip. So with that one I am going to do same thing. You can do with the SSMS installation. Now you can see after 2012 SSMS is not coming with the software. You have to install. After installing of SQL Server, you have to install the SSMS. So you can go with that also, like in that script. Or you can go with there is something called security analyzer, baseline security analyzer. Before, people was using that for the scanning purpose, so that also has to be there. So simple of thing, type of software, you don't go for the SQL Server installation using this way, because for this one SQL Server you have to select the MDF file location, LDL file, then multiple of parameter you have to select. If you will go for the 2016, they have given the TempDB configuration, automatically it is going to take. So that's why it will not work. So if you want SQL Server installation to automate, you have to go with the INI file, right, where you will write the all logic. So this is the single script where you will download the software, like VLC player. So directly you are giving double click, automatically all work will be completed. So those kind of work you can perform using this script. So we are going to we are going to work on this, and I'm going to explain you how we have automated this script. So this script is only for one server, it is not for all server. Like if you want to do for the 10 server, you can't do using this script, because I have not explained you loop. Once I will explain you the how to run that script into the loop, then same script only logic will be there. You have to write this logic into the loop. So what is going to be happen? Automatically in the every server it will work. Later class I am going to explain you. So first logic I am explaining, then looping part will be same for all. So just this is the software. So what I am going to do here, just I will write down somewhere into the notepad. टीवी चलाना है क्या? हम चले जाते हैं उस रूम में. Okay, so what I am going to do, so first you have to download this software. Download the software. If you are downloading the any software, what is happened? Somebody is thinking me any port required in two servers, sir.
Any between servers, sir.
Any between server means if that port means if you are running the script from one server, means you are going to install the SQL from one server to multiple of server. So 100% that permission has to be granted for this server. Otherwise, you can't do, right? And you are asking for port and all. That is the firewall issue. You have to check that. Even nowadays, if they will block for Google, you will not able to open, right?
Okay.
So that all permission has to be open. Firewall has to be open. For otherwise, you will not able to do. So that thing is the security related thing. If you are not able to do, you have to check with your security team. But you will able to do that one. I am showing you. So some more person has joined. Who is joined now? I think Rakesh. So Rakesh, last time you have not given your email address, not mobile number. So please ping me, Rakesh, your mobile address. Anil is also joined. Rakesh is also joined. Rakesh, you can ping me your mobile number. Okay, so fine. I am going. I am not wasting the time. Simply. So what I am going to do? Just 1 second. 1 second. I am going inside my room. Okay, fine. Light on. So I'm audible, right? Here also there's some noise was coming. Hello. Hello. Okay, fine. Okay, so fine. So what for the installing of the any software, there is one thing. Either SSCM team will be push the software into that every location, or otherwise you have to download the software in any location. If you are going to, if you are going for any location, you have to decide some path or some folder, right? Once that software will be downloaded, then you have to go for installation. Once the installation will be completed, you have to delete the software, right? So this much work we are going to do, because simply like nowadays SQL Server file, if you will see the installation file, it is 5 GB. Simply why should keep into that? So all people in software, they are keeping in some shared folder, and whenever they want, they are copying it, they are just installing it, they are deleting it, right? They are not keeping the each server. You have seen, because that is space issue. I think you are all the DBA. So this much of work we are going to perform using this script. So yesterday only I have explained you there. No, I think I have not explained. So yesterday I have, so now I am giving you, so how to declare any variable into in PowerShell. So variable you can declare using dollar symbol. If you give $A is equal to Rajesh, so what is going to be happen? This Rajesh is going to be saved into this dollar. So now if I am going to run this $A, what is going to display? It is going to display that variable what we have saved. So simple thing, dollar, any value if you are giving, it is used as a variable. So yesterday I have told you $_dot also. That one I am going to discuss later classes, how this one will come into the picture. So now very easy. If any variable you want to declare, it will be dollar symbol and you give whatever. So here what I have given, I have just decided one variable and I have given this path. Why I want? Because I want my software has to be installed in this directory or saved in this directory. So why it is not wait. Okay, so now you can, I will go and I will check whether that folder is already there or not. If it is there, means I will delete it. So C folder installer is there. I will go and I will delete this folder. So just I have declared it. So if I will run this one, what is going to be display? It is going to display C installer, right? So I will run single command. So I am defining my path. If I will run this, and if I am going to run now this value, so what I will get? I will get the C installer. So any variable which one I am saving this value. So after that, what I am going to do? I am going to test this path. So what I have written? Test path. Test path is also part of your this one. Yesterday we have taken the result for Who is calling me? One second. So you can see the test path once again. हाँ गलती. तो ले लो. ठीक है चलो हम थोड़ा काम में बिजी हैं. चलो ठीक है चलो. Okay, sorry. So what I'm doing, I am taking this test path. So yesterday we have ran, right, get command, and these are the get inside that get command, that all are the commandlets you are seeing. So this is the test command. I am taking one example. So what is this command, why it will be used? So like that I will go some important command. It is just testing your path. Means I have given test path -path, and then I have given this directory, right, and container. So it will be just testing this path is available or not. If that path will be available, so you how to later class, after third class, again I am going to explain you if else. There is the many loop, if else, everything. So now I am taking some example for if else statement only. So here what I have written, if test path, I am testing what is the value of this, means this is this value. If this result will be true, what is going to happen, then only it will goes to inside that group. Inside that group, what it is happening, right host. If anything you want to display, you can write like this, right host and that value. So it is going to be display right host, means what is going, if the path will be exist, then only it will go to this loop, and it is going to be display that this means this path is already exist. The dollar this means this value, it is already there. If it is not there, then new item. So new item is also came from commandlets only. If you will go here, Control F, new item. New item, you can see here. So this new item command will use for creating that folder. So if you are giving new item -path and that directory, and you are giving -item directory, means it will go and it is going to be create that folder. Got it? Such I will run only this much first for your understanding purpose. So see, okay, so if I will run this, what is going to happen? It is created the folder because I have deleted it. It is created just now 9/6, and it is giving time also. If I will go and if I will see that folder has been created or not, this just now this folder was created just okay. If I'll run again this, what is going to happen? It is going inside not this loop, it is going to into this loop, because it is already checked, and it is going to be displayed this path is already exist. So do the practical practice in your home also. Got it till here? No doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
These all are the way how to later I will show you example also. If the test path, if how to know, like how we can write that script for the test part. There is a 10, 15, 20 example will be there. If you will go directly get help -command, if you are going to type, automatically it will give you the all example. Or if you copy this test path and go into the Google and write example, so automatically it will display which are the way you can declare it, right? So till here, no doubt. If that we have declared the path, if that path will be exist, it is going to display path is there. If the path is not there, it is going to create the folder, right? Till here, I think no doubt. Next one.
Container
yes, please.
Container means container means folder, right?
Yes,
folder
it is
type.
checking that folder.
So test path, and again we are giving path means what does it mean?
This is the value. This the meaning of means this means
no,
this.
Before that path,
this one.
Again we are giving
yeah, you have to declare like this only -path.
Okay. What does it mean? I mean to say
the meaning means the test path is the command. So you have to remember this. Test path and -path means you are providing the path. This path. This is the way to declare it. Test path. Like creating new item. This is the command. But how to work with this command means new item -path, and then you have to give this one, which path you want to create. Then you have to write that item type, what you are going to create. Directory, you can give directory. You can create folder also, you can get Excel also. That is different way. We will come to the later classes. We will see that. Now, a small thing with small example. Till here, I think no doubt. Day by day, you will understood more. So I think yesterday you are very less. Today you will understood more. After three and four classes, you don't have any doubt.
Sir, any specific syntax is there, sir, to check that?
What
To
check?
write the code, to write the code, any syntax kind of?
Yes, it is there. So see here. If I will write here, no, new hyphen PA path, right? If I will give direct hyphen, wait.
New item.
New item. New item. If I will give hyphen only, no, automatically it will display multiple of things what you want.
Yeah.
You want path, you want name, you want item type, you want value, but you will not remember that all, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So you have to go with all. I am going to give you one example how to create path, but you have to work itself by this all. What is the meaning of name? If I'm going with new item name, what is the example? Why? So this all example you will get from if you are taking get help.
Okay, sir.
For me, get help will not work. So if you want, you can go with Google also directly. So it will give you the more example.
Okay, sir.
So I told you, I am going to give you some example, but you have to go with itself. You have to read to, so you can see that it is given new item hyphen path you have to give. You can give item this also. If you'll go down, it will be all example. So it is written example one. If you are going to give the path, what is you will able to create. If you are giving name, it is going to be create text file. If you are giving hyphen item, you can create the files. So the value, so like that, that is the one example. It is written that all detail. What is the meaning of this? Example two, you can go with this way also. New item, you can use this way also. Example three, you can go with force. What is the meaning of force? You can go with four. So I am going to teach you only one. Before only I told you, I am going to teach you only one. Later thing you have to analyze and you have to work by itself. It is not possible for anyone within 15 class. I'm going to teach you everything.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, got it, no? So I'm not wasting time. I'm just going into that. I will just tell you how you have to read, how you have to follow. And here 200 of a script I'm going to give you with the all example, each every line I'm going to explain. But then also that is not enough. You have to learn by itself. So today I have explained you test path. You go to Google, run this test path. What is the example of this? Go analyze, read itself. Or otherwise, as per your requirement. Once the requirement will come, then only you will start searching it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, leave it.
Okay, got it.
Okay, fine. So what is I'm going to do? So there will be till here, no doubt, right? So again, I am taking one variable and giving that one location of some file. What is this location link? This link is for if you want to download 7-zip software, that time you have to use this one. So if I will copy this, what is going to happen? My 7-zip software will download, right? So in that logic, I have written here, I am saving that location to one variable. And what happened? I am giving one more variable, and in this variable, what I've given dollar directory, means it is this one, and after that I have given 7-zip. So what happened? Once it will be copy this software here, it is going to be changed, means software name will change to 7zip.msi. For that I have created. So now these two are the variable. So in this, what is that? The value of this is saved. In this, what is saved? Your directory and this value. Got it? No doubt. Come to the next line. So what is happening? So if you want to download any software, so till now I have not downloaded the software, I have declared it only, right? So downloading the part I am doing from here, because till here I have declared just variable I am putting this value, variable this I am putting this value. So now I am going to download the software. If you want to download the software, this invoke web request command will be used for downloading the software. That also will be came from commandlets only. So if you will search here, so invoke web request. So I told you we will go one by one, not all, but okay. So invoke web request will be come for if you want to download any software from your internet to your system, this PowerShell command has to be there in your system. So if it is not there, your downloading will be not work. So for downloading purpose, I'm just checking it. This evoke web request is there or not. If it is not there, you have to import this web request. So how we can import, I will tell you later classes. Or now I'm giving you some example of .NET framework. How from .NET framework also you can just import. So if I will run this command, and for my, just you have seen this in the notepad, if this command is showing, means this commandlet is already there in my system. Maybe 99% this will be there in your system also. If it is not there, you have to import. So if I will run this get command, if any command, if you are going to give like that get command and you are giving the command name and you are running it, so if the result is coming for you, the meaning of this means this is already, it is there in your PowerShell. This commandlet is already there. If it is not there, means just I will remove something I'm writing like that. If I will running this, so it is not coming. So if you are getting this kind of error message, means that one is not there. But for me, this result is coming. So result, oh sorry, web request. So meaning of this means already invoke web request is there in my system. So if that is there, so what I am going to do, how to run this, how we are going to work with this evoke web request, you have to type evoke web request source and you have to give -out file destination. So what is going to happen? Source is what? Source is your path from where you are going to download. What is the out file means? Destination. What is the destination means? Your C installer. Then in that we have given this software name. So means what software is going to be download, it is going to be rename that software, because software will come with this name, rename to 7-zip. So that's why / if you are going to give. So meaning of this means this. So for me, this one will only work if your system will not having invoke web request using the .NET, you are able to import that invoke web request. So for that, this is the module, that is a .NET thing. So you have to go with this. You have to take one variable, you have to write new object, and you have to give system.net.web client. And after that, we are going to pass this value, download file, and bracket, you have to give the source and destination. Okay, so I think after 10 minutes, it is going to be disconnected. So please log in again. Okay, so what is going to happen? If for me already this is there, so no need of, it will not go for else. If I will remove this much, directly it will work. But for you, if this is evoke web request is not there, then it will go to the else loop. It will be download that commandlets, then it is going to be work again, the same thing. So if means if that command is there, directly it will work this. If it is not, then it will be going to implement this, then it is going to work. So till here, no doubt, right?
Yes.
So I am taking this value. If you have any doubt, you can ask, no problem. So for me, if I will remove this much value also, no, there will be no error. I will remove this. So what is going to be happen now? Because I know that for my system, this is there. Invoke web request is already there. So what is going to happen? If I will run this, what is going to happen? This directory is already there. And what it has done, it has just copied the software in this location. So if I will go and if I will see, already 7-zip file is came. So this was the, if I will delete it again, folder and this, if I will run this script, this much, what is going to happen? Folder is created, downloaded the file. So again, it will come. Till here, no doubt, right? Correct?
Yeah.
I'm moving for next one. Next one. So if you want to install anything, this is the command msi.exe.execute, and you have to give the /. If you want to go with more detail, I have given a link also. I have given very basics. So whatever I am teaching you, it is the, if you want to learn more, go to this site and read about the PowerShell, how to do the installation of that. So everything has been written, how to pass IAJ, that everything. So if you want to go for more detail, more command, so you can go. For me, I think whatever I have written, that is more than enough. So QN is what means, if you want to install any software, if you are giving like this is the command for executing, you have to give /i, and then what we have to give, we are giving that folder where my software is there, right? So this is the directory, means this is a directory C installer, and inside that, this is a software, MSI software. And if you are giving /qn, means GUI tool will not come. If you are going with B, if I will change N to B, means what is going to happen? It is going to be basics some GUI tool will come. If I'm giving F instead of F, what is going to be happen? Every page will come, go to next, like that, how it is coming. So we will see that. So this is for the installation. First I will check the 7-zip file is there or not for me. If it is there, I will uninstall. So I will check from here also 7-zip. So already 7-zip is there, so I have to uninstall the 7-zip first. It is not coming. Seven zip is there. I will go and I will uninstall first. Because that okay, it is till time it is uninstalling, we will work on this. So till here you understood. So once it is going for installation, we have given sleep time for not 30, I will give 25 seconds, means it will go for installation, it will take some time, right? And once the installation will be completed, what I'm going to do, I am going to remove that software that only we are going to implement, right? So just I will see, okay, uninstallation is done. Just I will go and I will see Windows T, what happened. Why my folder is not coming? What happened? Okay, why my this one is not coming? Okay, fine, no problem. So this time what happened? I have given QN, right? QN means it is a no UI will come. Oh my god, why it is not coming? Okay, fine. Down, I can't see. Okay, here, what is that? Okay. Folder, why it is not coming? It is a hang, wait. Wait. Okay, fine, I will do that only. It is hang down, I can't see. Okay, anyhow, I'm going to start the installation. If I will click on this, what is going to happen? Already the file was there, it is downloading the software, then is went for the installation, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now it is went for 20 minutes sleep time, and after that it will remove the software. So but what happened here, it is I can't see down that one. So it is waiting, it will wait for 25 seconds, and then it is going to be delete my software. So but what happened here, I'm not able to see my folder only, that's why. What is that? Why my folder is not coming? It is hang state. Oh, my Windows command is also not working. Okay, I think yesterday I have not restarted my system. So see here, it is done, right? So 7-zip software is installed now. So okay, folder is not coming, I can't show you. I think once it will be disconnection will be happen, then I will reboot my system. It is something. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I have to uninstall again. So I will show you some different example now. Where is that uninstallation?
You can go to Control D and you can able to see the folder.
Sorry?
Control D you can do, and
no, Control D,
it
is not happening. I've already pressed that, I think. Okay, so meantime I will just uninstall this, because just now I have installed, right? So I will uninstall this software again. So I have uninstalled again. So what I am going to do now in this, so this time I am not giving QN, I am giving what? Full installation. If I will give QF, what is going to be happen? If I will run this, already the file is exists, it is downloaded the software, it is installing, and this wizard will come. So you can go in this way. So if you are giving F means full installation. So like that, you can go. You understood this, right? How this is a script for installation of 7-zip file. So later if somebody is saying you write a logic where you are taking the backup of the SQL server, and after that you have to zip the file. So before zipping the file, you can write this logic. So first I will check, my PowerShell will check this 7-zip file installation is there or not. 7-zip, if it is not there, install the 7-zip, then go for it, right? Otherwise your script will fail. Got it or not? If somebody has told you run 10 script and zip the file and send it to client, so you have to implement that logic. Means that 7-zip file is there, then don't install, go and zip it. If it is not there, install, then zip it, right? So got it, no? Why I want this kind of logic. So later I will show you how to zip the files. So that one later class I am going to explain you. So no doubt, right? Shall I move for next one?
Do we use this script to install multiple servers in multiple machines?
Of course, 100%
like
we
remotely?
will use. Yes, we can use this script. Later class I am going to show you, because once you are going to run into the loop for the multiple of computers, so there will be one thing you have to pass that all server name, right? The PowerShell, you have to tell which are the server you have to install this software. So we are going to pass this all server name, either notepad, or either you are passing from parameter, or either you can write into the script also. And you have to run this script into the for loop. So that one still I have not explained how to run this script into the for loop. So once I will explain you, then you will be able to do. So I'm going with the next script now. If you have any doubt, you can tell me. Okay. So one thing I will do. Yeah, please.
Open that that query window, sir. PowerShell window.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Sir, here else part is there, no, sir, top. Else
Once
part.
again, this one you are saying.
Yeah.